name is Susan Crown, and this is my introduction to MDS 440 Project Management and Design. I'm from northeastern Washington, and this is a view of the Columbia River just right up above my hometown. Not where I live, but where I was raised. Northeast Washington has always been my playground. I am currently working towards the Bachelor's of Applied Science degree and Certificate of Leadership. The degree will open some alternative avenues with my current position as a certified occupational therapy assistant. Or at least I'm hoping. Yep, this is supposed to be my hobbies page. Unfortunately, the last few years have not been about hobbies. They've been about regaining wellness and recovering. So my hobbies are wellness, recovery, and school. And by the way, wellness is a really good hobby to have. My expectation of this class is to grow my knowledge and survive. And who knows, maybe I'll actually gather some unique skill that will benefit future endeavors. This will probably be the only project management course that I ever take. Concerns. My one concern comes directly from the very first initial post that the instructor placed, and this was his statement. I am confident that you have experience managing projects in the past. I'm just concerned that my experience and his expectations are not going to match up real well. Thank you for listening, and I'm happy to be here and looking forward to meeting everyone.